Okay, I'm trying to chase down a noise that I've started hearing today, and I'm hoping I can get some help. What I suspect is happening is that as the fan is turning, it's sort of encountering a little notchiness at some point. And I can sort of see it, and I hope that's what is causing it, maybe, or causing the noise anyway. Maybe you guys can help. Right there. I don't know if you could hear it, but maybe I can get a better angle so you can see what happens to the fan when it makes that noise. Right there. I don't know what that is, or if it's just normal. So any advice would be great. Thanks.